Hi, and welcome to another episode of Caleb's Trains. We've been very busy this past weekend. Uh, we had a lot of snow here in northwest Indiana. A lot of snow.
Lots
And
of snow.
yeah, so we actually had a 3-day weekend, didn't we? School was canceled on Friday. My work, I took a day off because it was just a little too bad to go to work. So
yeah, it was really bad.
yeah, so we had a nice 3-day weekend. So because it was so snowy and cold and what have you, we worked on the train set a lot.
Yeah.
I think we got a lot accomplished. A lot of stuff came in. All but one switch. One switch is on its way, so that's okay.
Switch is getting delivered.
It's getting delivered. Yes, it is. So, other than that, we got a lot accomplished so far on our expansion.
Yep.
So we're going to go ahead and show that. And it's actually functional. It's like I said, it's not done, but it is functional. So we'll even show everybody the big boy going through it.
Yeah.
Yeah, because if the big boy can go through it, anything can. Yeah.
Because the big boy is bigger than the other steam locomotives we have.
That's right. It's the biggest.
The biggest.
Yeah. So, all right. Well, thanks again for watching. If this is your first time, thank you. If you like this, don't forget to hit the like button. And as always, give us a subscription. Much appreciated. And as always, thanks for watching. And
Happy railroading.
all right, let's get to the layout.
Yay.
All right. So here you can see this was the old yard, basically where the grass is. Now what's plywood is the expansion. Yeah, right there. And earlier we had put this switch in to be one leg of the Y. And we, over there, I'll zoom in a little bit. We put in, that was always there, that was the switch that got us to our yard over here, which we did a lot of work on that, as you can see. But we put in that switch right there, the very next one, which begins the other leg of the Y. And that's what we got. We'll put the Y in. It has enough straightaway there. The big boy can pull in. Well, all the engines can pull in, but especially even the big boy. Around here. And then it can reverse its direction. And now we can run all directions, which is really cool. We went ahead and had to do a little maneuvering of the switches, changed them up a little bit to put in that one. And we got everything connected. We put rock in the yard to start out with. We're going to obviously do a lot more in there. But that's a start. And we did go ahead and wire up all the switches finally. I was always lazy before because I could reach them. So I was like, yeah, I'll get around to it. Well, now I can't reach them. So we went ahead and wired them all in. They all are operational now. So that's what we got done. And then over here, right here is all the switches, numbered 1 through 8. Yeah. And then this is Caleb's burned engine house. And we made a fictitious line to it to make it look like it's actually serviceable. I had a couple extra switches that I had gotten from buying Track online, and they were just kind of in the boxes, and so I wasn't ever going to use them for anything, but I said, well, why not? Let's make a little fake line here, and then that one there on the straight leg of the Y is there, but I got it locked out so it can't switch, because there's no sense for engines coming over here. And then we always had this milk car. I've had it for a long time, and on a previous layout I had, it was on there, and then this one I just never really had a place that I wanted to put it, but I like it. It's always one of those old line of operating accessories that I thought was cool when I was a kid. And so we made another little spur, little fictitious spur, but it actually is wired up and operates. But I have it running off track power right now, which is obviously too high. It really shoots out the milk cart or milk cans. So I'm going to have to hook it up to a lower voltage so it's more not rocketing it out, more just pushing it out. So, but it's there. That's a simple thing to just go ahead and get it on lower voltage. So other than that, it's a mess. We're still working on it. And then there's going to be one more switch where that curve is right after the switch over there on this leg of the Y is going to be another right hand 072 curve, and it's going to put one more spur. It'll be a nice long spur through here that maybe we could have like some passenger cars in that and ready for staged and ready to run. So that's what we got left as far as track goes in here. You got a lot of detailing and a lot of just ballasting and all that good stuff, and putting scenery in there, and the track through here isn't down completely. It's because this is an access panel here, and I just have it laid out, and I'm going to end up cutting the track and mounting it on there, and then putting plugs underneath to power it independently. That way, if I need to lift that out, I can just unplug the positive and negative wires, and then lift the section out to get to where I got to get to. So that's maybe next weekend or coming up. Ran out of time this weekend. Got tired. I think Mommy got tired of us being downstairs in the basement. Huh? So
we're not upstairs with Mommy. We're downstairs working.
Yeah. So. All right. Well, Caleb, the little engineer, he's gonna get the big boy going, and he's gonna take it through the Y and show us how we can reverse the direction. All right. Ready?
Starting it up.
He's bringing the big boy over. We're going to go ahead, and this is number 1. So we're going to switch that to the Y. Alright. And over here, that's switch number 8, which is the Y. It's aligned to put in straight. Over there, and now you can't see the numbers on it, but it's number 2. So we're going to go ahead and put that one straight. That's straight. Number 3, we're going to put on the curve. Okay. So we're set. Now you see it's going in the direction the voice went. But we're going to change that. We're going to reverse it. So there we go. We're going to do our first switch. Switches are aligned. Just when the tender's wheels come clear of that track. Alright. Alright, we're gonna... Yep, reverse lights on, you're good. Clear that switch, Caleb. We can put the brakes on. Alright. Now we're going to go to number 1. Oh, sorry, number 2. Alright. And switch number 1 back. Alright. And now for the first time, we can switch the direction on our trains without picking them up and doing it physically. We can go right through the Y and do it ourselves. Or the engine can do it itself. All we gotta do is flip a couple switches.
And there it goes.
And of course, don't want to go too far because we have the cars on the line, so you can go ahead and stop it. And go ahead and flip the switches.
And there is a way to actually turn the engine around again.
Yep, so now hit it in reverse.
You just do the opposite of what you did to flip it around.
Mm-hmm.
It's just the opposite. It's just switched around.
It's the same deal. Same deal, when the pilot wheels are clear of the switch, you can go ahead and we'll throw the switch and head the other direction. Alright. Alright. Send it back to the original direction. I don't know about you, but I think that's pretty cool. Yeah, what do you think?
I think it's pretty cool.
Yeah, it is pretty cool. Once we clear that, then we can throw the. No, we gotta go a little further. Should be good. Alright. And we'll throw number 1 again here. Alright. The main line is open for business. So there you have it. That's our operating line. And it's operating. Fully operational. Right? Alright. Well, as always,
Happy railroading.
happy railroading and thanks for watching. Till next time. Bye-bye.
Bye.